Welcome to Math Tub 6. Here we go. Our first activity, we're going to play with the big dominoes. And what we're going to do is we are going to build the dominoes with teddy bears, if that makes sense. So if there's 4 dots, we are going to put on one side, we're going to put 4 dots on one side. And there's 1 dot on the other side of the domino. So I'm going to put 1 bear on that 1 dot. And the first thing I'm going to do is figure out which one has more and which one has fewer. So I can see on this side I have 4 and this side I have 1. I can see that 4 is more than 1. So that would also mean that 1 is less than the 4. Then once we figured out which side has more and which side has less, then we're going to add the 2 sides together and figure out what 1 and 4 make. So 1 and 4 make, let's see, I have 4, 5. We're just counting on. Or we could start on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 4 make 5. So that's what we're going to do with the big diamonds, or the big dominoes. We're going to figure out which side has more, which side has less, and then add them together. 4 and 1 make 5. All right, and then one of our favorite games to play on the Promethean board, we have some Rec and Recs. Well, not real ones, but we have printed out ones. So you're going to show your friend, and then you're going to take it away. And you're going to ask your friend, what number did you see? How many beads were there? And then when they say, I saw 18 beads, you're going to ask your friend, how did you see those beads? And like we do in the morning, when we do calendar and do Dreambox, we would say 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's how we saw them. Now, some people see them a little bit differently than I do. I always see 10 together and then 5, 15, 16, 17, 18. I've noticed that some of you like to count them by 5s. So you say 5, 10, 15, and then 16, 17, 18. Remember, now we shouldn't have to count all the beads by 1. We should be able to group them by 10s or 5s by now. So we can play that game with our printed out Rec and Recs. Then we also have our dot cards. So what we want to do with the dot cards is just match them all together, actually sort them. So this one is 9, right? I can see 3, 3, and 3. That's 9. This one is not 9. This one is 8. So it would go in a pile by itself. You will notice that you will be able to sort them with the numbers 1 through 10. Okay, so sorting your cards. You can also take these cards and match them with some number cards. You can do that as well. Okay, so that is what we can do in Math Tub number 6. Have fun counting.